One thing that nearly every story needs to succeed is a hero for the audience to invest in. But how do you know that you've written a hero worthy of audience investment? In my decades of reading, writing, and teaching reading and writing, I've noticed three things that seem to apply to nearly every hero that readers or viewers care about. These are the three keys to a compelling hero we'll be talking about today, so that you can craft more impactful and interesting protagonists of your own, and ultimately earn more readers. So generally speaking, a compelling hero, 1, portrays personality traits that make him or her unique. Now, not all of these traits have to be positive, they don't all have to be negative, but they have to distinguish him or her in some way. What are your hero's unique mannerisms, gestures, habits of speech, unconventional beliefs, or unusual ways of looking at the world? Is your hero generous but also a little greedy? Funny but a little cruel? That's great complexity and often leads to a well-rounded and dynamic character. Number 2, a compelling hero has flaws but also strengths. Never write of Mary Sue or Gary Stu, obviously, but also don't write a sad sack. We want something to root for. You don't want your hero to be perfect. You want to see him or her struggle. You want to see them overcome something within themselves as well as whatever their outer circumstances happen to be. You want to see them have to work to become better people. But that's the thing. You want to see your hero discover the courage, the cunning, or the strength to overcome that struggle. And that inner drive can't come from nowhere. They have to have virtues as well as vices, positives as well as negatives. Now, number 3, a compelling hero pursues a goal proactively. They aren't just reactive. Readers and viewers are, as a rule, interested in characters who do things, not just characters who have things happen to them. A character who's not internally motivated to change themselves or their circumstances is a boring character. If the character has a strong desire or objective motivating them, on the other hand, it's easy for the reader to empathize and get invested. So, do all of your protagonists strike off all of these boxes? Does your hero have or show unique personality traits? Does he or she have flaws as well as virtues, both of which are portrayed? Does he or she pursue a goal proactively? They're not just reacting to their circumstances. If you have all of these checked off, you might have a hero worth rooting for, and you might be able to grab a reader's interest and hold it through the end of the story. All right, get out there and get writing. Let me know your thoughts on your heroes below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel while you're down there. Consider joining as a member. For a few pennies a month. You get to help me make more and better writing content. And I would ever so much appreciate it. And you get some pretty cool stuff along the way. So, until next time, good luck and good writing. Peace.